how you would define love, or how Kabbalah relates to love. Like, he came very much from the point, like, everyone interprets something else into this true love, and basically we don't know exactly what it is.
Love is one of the name of God, meaning as long as you know, everyone interprets the name of God or its appearance without knowing anything about it, or without having the vessel to actually feel it. So therefore, I would risk and say that very, very few people actually feel it or know what they speak about. It means that they're mostly using the name of God in vain. So I would be very careful to start with, and to know that it's a temple. It's not on. It's a name that has, and a temple is usually a name. It's Malchut. It's a temple of the, let's say, the spirit that we could see her ways in it is our own. So it has to do with grace. So one can say that when we start the study, we do not define it. We say that we wish to, it's a quality, or it's a quality, a character that we wish to attain, and we know that the will to receive for oneself cannot actually sense it. It wish to covet it for sure, but the part of our study, it's like when we speak about love the other as thyself, I am the being. Yeah, this it's the purpose. It's what we wish to attain. It's what we wish to get into. So one can say that this word is the purpose, is not the condition, or is not something that we have. It's something we wish to obtain. The sense of it, the presence of it, the ability to express it. So first, you cannot start with looking for ways to express it in yourself unless you understand that this is the attitude of the creator towards its createe. And only when they receive it from him, they can express it, okay, in themselves. Okay. So one can say that the paradox is that unless you feel that God loves you, you cannot love. Okay. So it's a complete different attitude, and it relates to what we were talking about. The difference between suffering and agony. So agony starts to be not being able to feel loved by the Creator as he actually feels towards us. Okay.